Alright, let's run through the second section real quick. So the player starts off like normal. They come through, there's light, it's all lit up. There's a giant statue. They come down, this is lit up, this isn't. I see there's two pathways. Well, they want to go higher, so they go over here. Go up the stairs. And they can't get across. Oh, wait, maybe they can go over there. Go up here. Walk on here. They go down. And it's a dead end over here. So maybe we gotta go that other way. Go down. We'll go down here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So, player goes through. Goes up. Goes around. Then falls down and is trapped. And they can't get back up. So, looks like maybe we can push this, so we push it. Oh! Ah! Everything lights up, those come down. Maybe now we can get across there. Go upstairs. No? Alright, let's try over here. Ah! The player can go through here. I'll go up this ramp. Jump over here. Jump over here. Go up these stairs. Down. Go down over here. And go through here. When they get here, they get up on here, and this opens. And this is permanently open and will not close again. So that way they don't have to go through all those jumping patterns again. Now they can just get here if they should fall at any point. So they go up here, and they're like, ooh, what's that? And can't get through here. So they go over here, jump on this, and it's an elevator, and gets them to the top. So go forward, there's some stairs. They get over on this, and recognize there's a pattern. Jump on this one, and this one takes them down here. They go through here. Over, down here. Click on this trigger. This causes this to open. Now this is permanently open. So if the player falls at any point, they get a pathway. They can get back right to the end. Jump on this elevator. Go up. Go through here. Step on here. They see the door open. And they run as fast as they can to get through the door. And that's the level. So, what did I add? Alright, so I made the chandeliers move. Now they come down to their designated spots, and then when you click on them, well, when you jump on their thingies, it moves down and rotates, and then these move down. Those are both blueprints. I adjusted the push cube so that when it touches this trigger, that's what causes everything to happen, and it causes this to light up. So there's a visual cue to, like, there's power being turned on because this one's on and this one's obviously not. Also, when it touches the trigger, it ceases to move. So, it stops simulating physics. Obviously, I put lights around so we could see. The other differences I did was I adjusted this for the player path. That way, once the player moves on there, this is open. So because doesn't take a long time to go through all of that, but it's just annoying, and there's no reason to have the player have to do it again. It's not like there's a need to punish them, because they've already proven they can do it, and I don't want them to walk over here and just be like, someone walks by and they're like, hey, how you going? And they walk off, and then they're just screwed. and they go through here. So I decided to put the elevator here instead of the spiral staircase because the spiral staircase kept crashing whenever I clicked on it and had to do something. So I was just like, you know what? I have an elevator, so I'll use it. So the player can only go onto this, and it glows, so it's obviously something they can go onto. And then obviously there's another shortcut here, which I've already established. So that way, once the player has pretty much done everything, they can not get through the door as many times as they want, and they can still finish the level without having to do everything over again. So that's what I've changed. We'll go into the blueprints real quick, and I'll show you the code. It's pretty much the same code as like the elevator. As in fact, elevator up, elevator down. So begin play, set chandelier up, and that's where it currently is when it starts, so way high up, and then sets the rotation of it. When the trigger volume is overlapped, then it runs elevator up and down. When this is a separate function from the standard function, so this just says go down, go up based on these variables, and then rotate based on these variables. So it just rotates and transforms based on a timeline and lerp nodes. This, however, is the function that causes it to initially come down. So there's two sets of variables for up, chandelier up after and chandelier up. So once this is done, it only refers to chandelier up after to run this function. So that's the same for all the chandeliers, and they're public, so I could adjust them for each chandelier. The level blueprint is where a lot of the fun stuff is happening. So here, the trigger volume for this trigger. So this trigger volume here causes the push cube to stop simulating physics and turn on its light when it's pushed into it. Then it animates the chandeliers, so they run their down first functions. The other myriad of functions here are basically when the player overlaps the trigger inside the chandelier, it opens the requisite door or closes the requisite door. So you can see section 2 barrier, door up, when test chamber, when they're on actor end overlap of the test chandelier. So those are what they do. Shortcuts are the same thing, except they don't have an end overlap. They just stay down. And then there's the pressure plates from before. So the barrier blueprint is just the door function. Just the door goes up and down. It just never does this. So door goes down, and I just tell it how far it needs to go down. And I can adjust this as needed. But it seems fine to me. So, oh wait, no, actually it does go up. But not, it goes up unless I told it not to, which for these ones here, they don't have a up function. So that's what I've done for the second section.